Alright, what's up, y'all? This your boy Keenan. Keenan just felt like cooking. Yeah, and you know, just fresh off work, you know, change up real quick. And right now, about to fry up some fish. Check this out. Yeah, like I said, we're about to fry up some fish. So I got a nice pack of Swai here. This is my favorite fish to eat because I don't eat catfish because I had one as a pet. And as you can see off to the left here, my left, maybe you're right, don't know. But this is from Detroit, made in Michigan, baby. Fish crack, the best fried fish and shrimp you will ever eat. So we're gonna use it on some fish. With that, I'm gonna make me some good old grits. Got these stone ground yellow grits from House Archery. Since 1812, like that's a long time ago. Okay, so this grease is nice. I already checked a piece of batter in there, and I just went ahead and followed the instructions. The 1 cup of the mix, the fish crack, with 2/3 cups of water. And usually when I'm frying fish, I like to season mine up, but when I'm trying out a new batter that's, you know, already seasoned, I like to just try it out first before, you know, I do another run with it. So we're gonna go ahead and dip some of this fish in here, some of this good old Swai. I'm gonna drop that in there, and we just gonna go ahead and test it out with one piece, and then I'm gonna be back and let y'all check it out. We done, and as you can see, that's nice and crispy. Got that New England batter look to it. We ate a piece to try it, and it was very good. But the batter was running low. So I went on ahead and did the dry method with the last 2 pieces right here. And them bad boys look good too. So now let's get on to these grits. Okay, so I'm getting these grits started. And I'm using the 4 serving method. So instead of 4 cups of water, what I like to do is I use half and half. Whatever the measurements are of the liquid, I always use half water and half milk. So that gives you a creamier grit. And then that calls for 1 cup of grits and a teaspoon of salt. I do not put salt in my grits because the butter and the cheese is going to do that for me. So when this comes to a boil, we're going to add a cup of these House Archery stone ground yellow grits and get to stirring. And then we're going to be back with a plate. Back in a minute. Yeah, so these grits is done. And I'm gonna be honest, I never cooked grits that long. These are some serious grits. So we're gonna finish them off proper. And what I want to point out is that says season to taste with butter, salt, and or pepper. It don't say nothing about sugar. So we got 4 tablespoons of butter there. That's like a tablespoon per serving, so it's not a lot of butter. I got some extra sharp cheddar. You know, I like enough cheese in mine to where it changes colors. So I got all the cheese melted. That's the consistency you want of a good pot of grit. Let's get a plate going. Yeah, so here goes my little plate. Got a little piece of the dry batter mix and of the wet batter mix of this fish crack. You get that at chickencrack.com, but I got it from Iowa Meats, Iowa Meat Farms and Cecil Meats, and that's pretty good. And the grits is at House Archery, stone ground yellow grits. I got the white ones too, but I wanted to try the yellow. And this fish is going to be accompanied by some of the House Archery garlic habanero hot sauce. Okay. I love grits. Grew up on them. Good old cheese grits, boy. No sugar. You see that? That tastes way more different than a good old box of Alberts. I'm just saying. Man, them is good. You really taste the corn. Alright, so I'll drip some grit on my fish. This is the dry batter mix. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. The wet batter. Good old piece of Swai there. This is the wet batter. I know you heard that. So that's good. House archery garlic habanero. I used this before. I forgot in a video. So let's see how that tastes. Just put a little bit on the wet batter piece. That is amazing. Shout out to Detroit. Chickencrack.com, boy. House Archery, I think they out of Florida. You gotta check those out. I appreciate everybody checking me out. The eyes went back. Very good. I definitely wanted to give it a run on some shrimp and some other seafood and see how that goes. Everybody be cool, be safe, be smart. Don't forget to like and subscribe this bad boy. And I appreciate everybody watching my videos and checking me out on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook. Keenan just felt like cooking.